In this video we're going to look at creating customized templates. Now everything you see when you visit a WordPress website is displayed using a template, and if you go to a WordPress page, that's usually served up using the page template here, and if you go to the blog home page, it's served up normally using the index.php file template, which is there. And if you go to a single post, it's there, it's using that one, and an archive page, it's using that one there. So there's templates for particular pages on WordPress. Now if you wanted to customize a template, you could go in and you could edit these these template files in your theme. But that's not particularly good practice, because if you upgraded the theme, you'd overwrite those changes. So that's not normally done. Now, WordPress posts and archive pages, the template file that's used to serve up those pages is not configurable in the admin panel. However, you can easily change the template associated with a page, and here I am at my home page in the admin panel, and you can see here on the right hand side I can associate a template with that page, and by default it's associated with the default template. But if I use this drop down box here, you can see that I have a choice of 3 templates. These are the templates that come with the 2012 theme by default, and what I can do is create my own customized templates, and they will appear in this drop down list, and I can associate those with individual pages, and that's what we're going to do in the rest of this video. Okay, now we're ready to create our customized template, and I just want to show you the home page, my test site here, and this is what it looks like. Now what I'm going to do is create a template for the home page that's going to have the home page here, and underneath it I'm going to include some posts, so it's going to have a second loop added to the home page. Now to do that I need to create a new template. Now if you go down to the editor, you can edit existing template files, but what you can't do here is create new ones. So to create a new one you have to do that on your desktop, on your PC, and then you have to copy it over to your web server, usually using FTP, or you can use WebFTP. But because I'm on a test site here, I can actually cheat a little bit, and I can actually create the files directly on the web server, and I'm going to do that, so I'm not going to use the FTP approach, but that's what you'd have to do. Now we could just go into our theme, which is 2012. I'm going to use a 2012 theme, and I could just copy the page template here, and I could then rename it and leave it in this theme folder, rename it and edit it. But that's not really very good practice, so what I'm going to do is create a chart theme. So just copy this page here, and I've already created the folder for the chart theme here, and inside the folder I've inserted a style sheet, and it's a very basic style sheet, and I'll show you what it looks like. There it is there, and all it's doing is importing the original style sheet. And now I'm just going to paste in the page template there, and now I need to rename it, and I'm going to rename it to and then I need to edit it, and what I need to do is insert a template name up here. So I've just cheated a bit, I've copied the one I already had, and this is what you need to add in here, the template name. And let me go and show you now how to activate that. If I go back to my site and activate the chart theme, now if I go to the home page and edit the home page, and if I go down here I can select the template, and I can select the home page template, Notice the name of the template here is the name there. Okay, let me select it and update it, and then let's go and view the page and make sure it's actually worked. So here's the original page, and I'm just going to refresh it. And there it is there, pulling in the posts. Okay, now I didn't show you what I did to the home page to do that, and that's not really important for this video. The important bit is you understand the process of creating the template. But I'm just going to go back to the home page and just go quickly through it. Okay, this is the existing loop. It's a bit confusing here because I've actually using a ratings plugin on there, which is that function there. You won't see that in yours, but this is the default loop for the page. Very simple, and it really is normally just three lines. Okay, now I've just added at the bottom here a second loop. I'm setting up the array, set up a new query, and then I run through the loop again with the while statement and the end while there. I'm not going to go into the contents of that in this video, but that sets up the loop, and that basically gives me a list of posts on that home page. So that's it, how to create a customized template for WordPress. Until next time, bye.